Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. As you can see, I got my 2003 Jeep TJ here that I'm currently doing an 8.8 swapping. And as you can see, my Bilstein shock boot is torn. Now, this may seem puzzling why I'm making a video on replacing the boot, which is really just simple. Just pull it off, put a new one on, replace it. But the reason why I want to talk about it is that the reason why you want to keep a boot on and in good shape, especially with this style of shock, which points downwards, is that if you get dirt and stuff on the shaft, now on the shock itself, there's like a seal. So if you got dirt and debris on this, every time your shock compresses, it can get past the wiper. And if it gets past the wiper, it starts wearing the seal. When it starts wearing the seal, your gas and oil is going to start leaking out. So that's why I luckily picked these up off Amazon. That's the part number right there. And hopefully, they should be the ones to fit these Bilstein shocks. So inside the packaging, 2 boots, 2 zip ties. Let's come down here. Let's measure these up. Eyeball it. Yeah, I think that'll work. Give this a quick shot. Brake clean. Clean her off. Boot on. Now that both shock boots are on and shocks are back installed, I'm going to tell you how the boot got torn. Back in the day when I did my LS Vortex swap in my Jeep, in order to get the driveline angle right, I had to use the adjustable control arms on my old axle to tilt the pinion up in order for it to work. Now, when I tilted it up, what happened is that on the old Dana 35 axle is that the spring perch would rub on the rubber. And that was the reason why it got ripped and torn. And this is the reason why I bought new boots. The only problem is that the little ring on the bottom is too small for the boot to fit on properly. But I'm going to roll with it and make it work. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.